And welcome to break 4318 for the 2020 Hit Parade P2J Sports Cards exclusive football edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, February 8th, 2021. It's 10:13 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:13 p.m. Central Time, and 7:13 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Munkers with 2 spots, Ron 2, Decepticon 5, I Chef Around 1, J-Bid 1, Everyday 1, and 1, Triple B-Sack 1, BLF 3, Cut 2, Aaron Fab 2, Robbie 2, Macwell 6, and Brave with 3 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. Munkers on top, Brave on the bottom once. Twice. We will randomize a total of 7 times. 6 and lucky number 7 has BLF on top and on the bottom. Alright, we have BLF with the Cardinals, Cut Falcons, Everyday Ravens, Decepticon Bills, Ron Bat with the Panthers, Munkers Bears, Aaron Fab Bengals, Macwell Browns, Cut Cowboys, Decepticon Broncos, Macwell Lions, Brave with the Packers, Macwell Texans, BLF Colts, Decepticon Jaguars, Munkers Chiefs, I Chef Around Raiders, Robbie with the Chargers, Brav with the Rams, Decepticon Dolphins, Macwell Vikings, Ron Bat with the Patriots, Triple B-Sack Saints, Macwell Giants, Bravo with the Jets, Aaron Fab Eagles and Steelers, Robbie 49ers, Macwell Seahawks, J-Bid Buccaneers, Decepticon Titans, and last but not least, BLF has Washington. All sealed up, and whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Sealed on both sides. Empty. We have a rookie patch of CD Lamb, 5 out of 49. CD Lamb, Dallas Cowboys, rookie jersey auto out of 49. Very nice for the Dallas Cowboys. Who has the Dallas Cowboys? Dallas Cowboys. Cut _29. Congrats on break 4318 for the 2020 Hit Parade P2J Sports Cards exclusive football edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is 4325 for the 2020-21 graded Rookies Basketball Edition card box. Thanks.